How to use Chrome extensions on Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your Chrome browser and then open any new tab and then tap on the three dot. After that, tap on use desktop site. And now you will be able to use Chrome Web Store and then search for extensions, and after that now you will be able to add it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.